Oh, well, both these two sound like they're on deviating on 5 channels at once. No doubt at Nottingham. Right, we've got this Midland 4001, which I serviced the other day, and it's time to test it with Mr. Chippie. So we'll go to Mega Chippie channel. We'll use a standard replacement mic, and then right at the end we'll use the factory original mic, which I put a new insert in of the correct type. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Excellent. I'll put my extension speaker in.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Roger that. Right, we are passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. I've got a bit of a tone control.
Roger that, so we're heading up towards the end of the road, past Woody's Library, etc.
Roger on that, and we'll keep it on the filter out.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station and it's closed.
Roger, Dodger.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round a scratchy corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round scratchy corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round a scratchy corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round scratchy corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Midland 4001 from 1982. And I'm on standard replacement mic. The radio's doing a full 4 watts output over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger.
Over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing. Now, as these radios don't have low power, can I ask you to do the your piece camera at the 5.5 mile point? Makes it easier over.
Yep, roger that. That's fine.
Thank you.
Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Okay, 21 from Mr. Chippie, now at the 5.5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5.5 mile point. So I'm on this Midland 1982 4001 and made by Maxon. Using the standard replacement mic, it's going just over 1 amp to deliver a full 4 watts. And that's all there is to say, I think, over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Roger, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rollsby level crossing. Over. So you want prices for the 149.7 and 161.9.
Roger on that, well that works very well, thank you.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mississippi, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me at that end, please, over?
Your one prices for the 149.7 and 161.9.
Roger on that. Well, that worked very well, thank you.
Yep, roger that. 1010.
1010. Yeah, that was a nice, nice operation on that. I found the Gieson thing with the matcher on it, so I'll do that. Well, I'll find out whether it's working or not. Whether or not we'll bother sorting it out is another matter if it's faulty. But the other thing I was going to say before we go over to the base station, see what it sounds like. Just remind me, because I've got a Sony MP F3, what is it, 330 battery, which are used on video cameras and camcorders. I've probably never mentioned this before, but I've got quite a collection of the Sony Mavica floppy disk cameras, like every one they ever made, and is it the F1, SLF1, the one before that, and also some of the earlier camcorders. I don't know if any of you are interested in looking at ancient electronic digital cameras or camcorders. So I just thought I'd mention that in passing because I found a battery kicking around. So we'll go over to base station and see what that sounds like. And the other thing to mention, I'm never going to get over, am I? That FG Raya book on CB projects, we'll be going through that page by page. There's been some interest in the comments section from when I went through the books the other day. Tango 21 testing the Midland 4001 with the standard replacement microphone into our Midland 76900 base station. Now we're going to go over to the factory original microphone. Tango 21 now testing the Midland 4001 with the original microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we've got a PNI 6500 set which has been mega blown up, which has been kindly passed on to us by Alan, our mystery benefactor. So that's absolutely brilliant, thank you Alan. It's very, very poorly. I don't know whether we're going to get anything, maybe in a million parts like the organ, but we'll see how we go with that.